Now we show you how to connect the vacuum pump. Firstly, you will find the connect tube. Check it out with here, close to this cylinder, and this in close to this screw interface. This is connected with the vacuum pump. Then check, we have one noise reducer parts. This one connect close to this screw interface through this connector. To connect, let it go to outside is okay. And here, this one connect with the machine's interface. You will find this bells. And very important, you will find has two air tube. These two air tube connect with the machine in here. Here has two tubes, air tubes, to connect the cylinder part, the noise reduce parts. Then we have to confirm this tube connect correct. Now we go to the machine. Let the vacuum operate it work. Open the vacuum pump. Then you will try to remove the files. If the file cannot be moved, then the connector is correct. If you can move it like this, you can move it very easily. Then you come to the bike. Exchange this tube. Exchange these two tubes. Then it will be okay.